Hello and welcome back for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the GRT chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first giving you the long-term outlook here on the GRT chart, where you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.2325 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is the area between the $0.1431 mark and the $0.0911 mark, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that the low for the second wave is now in, and GRT is now ready for a reaction to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. And for us to get confirmations that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started, we first need to see GRT give us a complete 5-wave structure to the upper side, followed by an ABC corrective structure. The moment we see such a scenario here on the charts, then that will be confirming to us that the low for that wave 2 is now in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started. And in case we don't see such a scenario soon, then there's still the risk that we could still see one more leg down in the formation of that wave 2, giving us a new low for that wave 2. And there's an Elliot wave structure that I've been tracking here since the 10th of June, when we saw this massive crash in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.088 mark, where we started gearing up, where we have now picked in that first wave, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. Then we saw another impulse in that wave 3, fully maximizing minimum target areas for that wave 3, giving us a high at around the $0.1438 mark. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, fully maximizing minimum target areas at the time of this recording. And there are high chances that soon, and maybe before the weekly close today, we are going to see a reaction of this target area, the red target area right here in this wave 4, start gearing up in the formation of this wave 5 and also fully maximize minimum target areas. So in case we continue gearing up, see a break above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, act as support, continue gearing up, break out of the target area to the upper side. Maybe at some point we also see a break above the wave 3 high. Then there will be high chances that GRT is going to fully maximize its minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 5 and also complete the larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and giving you minimum target areas for this wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.1608 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And if by any chance we continue seeing weakness on the charts, and maybe at some point we lose our red target area, continue seeing further breakdown, then that will be invalidating my Elliot wave structure that I have right here, since a breakdown move to the lower side will be, we can see GRT get into the wave 1 territory, and according to the Elliot wave guidelines, a fourth wave should not retrace into the wave 1 area. That is the wave 1 high, suggesting that in case we continue seeing further breakdown and lose our red target area, then that move will be invalidating our Elliott wave structure here on the chart. And the next key area of support that we can keep our eyes on in case such a move plays out is at around the $0.1072 mark. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the GRT chart, on the indicators, on the RSI. We are trading at around the 45 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, though we are yet to see an increase in the buying momentum. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.